morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking. So design thinking, it involves 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, and prototype and test. So each and every problem, it will involve the 5 stages of DT. So let me talk about and details about the each steps first.
Yeah. Let me talk about empathy. Empathy is the first step in design thinking process. So empathy involves in active listening, perspective view, and non-judgment. So in active listening consists of, we have to listen what is the problem first. We have to understand what is the problem first, and we have to make clear of it by defining the problem. So like, we have to give a problem statement. We need to define, use the problem statement. So for giving the problem statement, by giving the problem statement, so it have to be user centered. So how the people going to use it? So if the problem, we are taking a problem and we are getting a solution, we have to think what's the end user needs, and it depends on. And non-judgment means we have to be in a centered state to match the balanced important and safety and in safety progresses and faults. We have to give solution for both inconvenience and convenience things. We have to be in the centered thing, and goes on. So next
is define. So after empathy, in define, you will get a clear image of what is the problem of the user. For example, in define, you need to ask the customer or any officers that what are the prolonged problems they are suffering from, or what is the main problem in the problem. So this is where you can get a clear image what is the problem. So this is called define. Next is ideate.
As said by them, the next stage of the design thinking is the ideate. First of all, we are knowing about the problem, what is the need we need, and then we are defining the problem statement. Next, we are bringing up some brainstorming ideas to innovation, and we are building a prototype and then testing it. So in this ideate stage, we are bringing more innovation ideas and brainstorming values to this and making as a prototype. So it helps us to build our idea and even the creativity. Its main vision is to build a vision and a problem, and then ideation. So next is the prototype and testing. Thank you.
Okay, since they took a customer reviews from in empathy, and they defined the problem statement, and they fixed an idea regarding the prototype. Now we will design a prototype, which is not an actual working model, but it will be replica of working model. Either it will be in working condition or in a static condition, but it will show the solution. It will show how how it solves the problem. In that way, prototype is built. After building the prototype, then it undergoes a testing process, which is a main process in design thinking. Which tests how the product is working, and it gives a results regarding it. And based on the result, we can decide either we need to upgrade the problem, or else upgrade the prototype, or else what we did is enough. Likewise, we will be testing the prototype. Then the design thinking 5 process will be ended. After that, the prototype will be taken to the next level, which undergoes finding a funder who will be funding our projects, and then after that, the actual working model will be made through this process 5 methods. Thank you. By this 5 method, we can conduct. By this 5 method, we can develop a prototype, and the prototype can be made into a successful model by this design thinking 5 methods.